What's going on, guys? My name is Rami and welcome back to another episode of RQ's Garage. Today's video is really simple, fast, and easy. I'm going to be teaching you how to install the letter emblems on your car. So I drive an Acura TL. You can see right here the T on the TL, it just fell off. There's like a little glue compound that you put on the back, and with time that glue won't be as strong. You know, with tons of washes, with the weather conditions, the glue compound just doesn't hold up. So it's just inevitable that these things might fall off. So I'm going to be teaching you a really simple, cheap, and easy way to put emblems on your car. Are you ready? Let's get after it. The first thing we want to do is go back to the car and see right there, that's where the T used to be. So we got to clean up all that extra glue and gunk on the paint, so when we put new glue on the T, it'll just go on a fresh surface. So we're gonna get some isopropyl alcohol, just get some rags and just start cleaning up. There are a lot of different ways to clean stuff on the paint of your car, but isopropyl alcohol is just a cleaning agent that won't mess up the paint, won't mess up the molecules in the paint. People use clay bars, people use maybe DW40, but I just like keeping it really simple and just cleaning it off and getting most of the glue off. So you can see right there, it's just about off and it looks like a clean surface. The isopropyl alcohol will clean it. Next, to line up the letters properly, I just got some basic painter's tape that won't mess up the car paint, and I'm just gonna align it with the L so the TL matches together. See? Just like that. So I know the base of the T is gonna go right there, and it's gonna touch, the T is gonna touch over here on the L and on the base, and it's gonna be a nice T formation. So we got the lining for it. Now let's put some glue on the T. All right, so we got our T, the car's clean, and I just like to clean the back of the T. Maybe there's some extra excess glue or something on there on the T. So get some isopropyl alcohol, I clean the back, and this will be ready to go. So I got this double-sided 3M tape. I'll put the link in the description below for it. I got it at Walmart, a couple bucks. Really easy, really durable tape, and it's safe for car paint. So it's really simple. We're just gonna lay it out. We're gonna put our T on it and just trace the letter on the tape with a knife. All right, with a little bit of artistic work here, you can see the front very close, and the back, I mean, it's taken up what, like 95% of the whole back. So we're just gonna peel off the red portion. And like that, it's ready to go on the car. So we got our tape to line up. Isopropyl alcohol's on the surface, so it's nice and clean. We took off the tape from the back, and now it's just lining up properly. Look at that. That is beautiful. It's that simple. And that's all it is to it. That took me 5 minutes from cleaning to putting tape on to putting it back on my car. Super simple, super easy. Here's a picture of my rear end of my vehicle just to show you those letters look perfectly on there. It's gonna stay on there and it's not gonna go anywhere. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. We are close to 200 subscribers. I appreciate all your help and support. Thanks, and I'll see you guys on the next one.